Flik's machine made the food pile fall. The grasshoppers came, standing mighty and tall. They threatened the colony with terror and might, but Maverick Flik knew they had to fight. But when Flik's machine made the food pile fall, the grasshoppers came, standing mighty and tall. They threatened the colony with terror and might, but Maverick Flik knew they had to fight. SchoolBbus.Rocks, where the heroes grow. In the fields and the valleys, let their courage show. Global elites network where the dreams take flight, like Maverick Flik, who stood up for what's right. He ventured far to the big city buzz, where bugs were hustling just because. He found a crew that was quirky and bold, circus bugs, but Flik saw gold. He brought them back, the ants cheered loud, but soon they learned they weren't warrior proud. Yet Flik wouldn't quit, no, he wouldn't be beat. He said we'll use their tricks, turn up the heat. He taught the ants to see their power. In unity they built their tower. With inventions, courage, a heart so true, Maverick Flik showed what one ant can do. With a bird made of leaves, they made their play to scare the hoppers and send them away. But the flames rose high, the truth was seen, yet Flik stood firm with a vision so keen. He faced Hopper down, no fear in his eyes. Ants are mighty when they all rise, and rise they did like a wave of might. The grasshoppers fled in the dead of night. In the end it was unity that saved the day, with Flik's ideas lighting the way. The ants all danced in the morning dew, their Maverick Flik had seen them through. When the ants all doubted, feeling small and stuck, Flik whispered, think big, don't rely on luck. He showed them all that one ant's dream could turn the tide, change the whole team. With Hopper gone, the fields were free, the ants now lived in harmony. Flik's courage spread like wildfire bright, he led them all to a future of light. Now every ant, big or small, knows that together they can stand tall. With Maverick Flik as their guiding star, they'll march on strong no matter how far. SchoolBbus.Rocks, where the heroes grow. In the fields and the valleys, let their courage show. Global elites network where the dreams take flight, like Maverick Flik, who stood up for what's right. So when the world seems tough and you feel so small, remember Maverick Flik, who gave his all. With a mind full of dreams and a spirit so light, you can be the hero who shines so bright. SchoolBbus.Rocks, where the heroes grow. In the fields and the valleys, let their courage show.